Hey everyone, this is Riddle and I want to thank you for coming to my channel. This is going to seem really rudimentary, but I'd never thought about it till this year when I was building a deer fence and trying to do it in a budget. Tomato cages or vegetable cages. You know, they sell those little tiny crappy cages that are practically worthless for most things, because not only are they made like crap in China now and they fall apart on you even when they're made of metal, but you know, a tomato plant or a vining plant is going to outgrow that little 2 to 5 foot tomato cage in, you know, a matter of a couple weeks. Here's a good example. See how this wasn't even welded properly? Coming apart already. It's just everything's made like garbage. So why waste your money and why support an industry that's, you know, making Hollywood props basically, and you know, just it's designed obsolescence. And when we support these type of products, we are encouraging the destruction of our planet and encouraging poor manufacturing. And it's way past the point now that we need to stand up against this type of crap. So my recommendation to you is you can go to a good hardware store that carries a lot of construction material, or a construction building store, and get this amazing steel wire. Now, I believe they embed this in concrete. They use it like a rebar, and they also use it for other purposes. And this is an extremely tall one. This is 8 feet because I needed that for the deer, but they come in different heights. As you can see, here's another version here. And these make the most excellent tomato cages. And it holds up for years and years and years. It's far less expensive, and you have complete control to make them any width that you would like. And you get this caged around a tomato, and you know, if a tomato exceeds 8 feet, please send me a video, because that is an amazing tomato. I find that this is the perfect height, 6 to 8 feet, for a really healthy tomato plant. And so these come in different rolls. This is a giant roll, so I don't really want to give you a cost on this, because this roll was expensive because it was a couple 100 feet. So I spent several $100s for it, but I'm sure you can either A, get a smaller roll, or B, talk to a couple other people that have extensive gardens that need tomato cages and are ready to make this investment, and just go in on it with a couple friends or your family for a roll of this. And then you could work together to make to make your tomato cages or your vegetable cages. Of course, this would work brilliant. It actually works brilliant as a deer wire, or to keep animals out, and for any kind of vining, any kind of vining vegetables you have, pole beans, cucumbers, what have you. So that's it. If you like my quick money-saving tips and innovative ideas, home repair, art and occasional magic, and of course organic gardening, please subscribe. It helps. I want you to take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because I believe how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. Thank you. Bye.